morning to everyone, respected principals and teachers and my dear friends. My name is Kenana Kishore and I am from Grade-VII Topaz. Today is Wednesday, 22nd January 2025. Pledge is a testament to our commitment and values. It binds us as a community, reminding us of our duties and responsibilities. Let's stand tall, united in our voice to recite the pledge. Now I call upon Ananda for the pledge. Ananda Kishore comments to pledge. Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. News. Now it's news time. We should update ourselves with the latest news to improve ourselves. Now I call upon Vijay Rohit to present the international and national news.
Happy morning everyone. Today international and national news is brought to you by SVJ of Grade-VII Topaz. International news. Trump to withdraw from Paris climate agreement, White House says. And national news. Mahakumbh Mela, a confluence of faith and culture. Thank you. Have a wonderful Wednesday.
Now I call upon Mayank to present the state and sports news.
Happy morning everyone. State and sports news is brought to you by P. Mayank of Grade-VII Topaz. State news. Complaint of illegal structures crowd Prajavani at GHMC and Hydra. Sports news. Rishabh Pant named captain of LSG. Thank you.
Thought of the day. Good thought is something that we can apply in our daily life to know ourselves. Now I call upon Rakesh to have a new thought.
Happy morning everyone. My name is B. Rakesh of Grade-VII Topaz. Brought you today's thought of the day. Thought. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. I repeat again. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Thank you.
Let us make our English easy and charming by the daily new word. It makes us understand our surroundings and helps us to explain our emotions and thoughts. Now I call upon Vivek to share the new word.
Happy morning.
Be little closer, na. You're closer.
Morning everyone. My name is Vivek sir from Grade-VII Topaz. I am here to say what compassionate. It means feelings are sympathy for concern for others. I spell it compassionate. COMPASSIONATE. Thank you.
General knowledge. Having always tough competition will no matter how make us stronger and better. Let's scratch our brain to answer the GK questions. Now I call upon K. Karthik to have GK questions.
Happy morning everyone. I am K. Karthik of Grade-VII Topaz. Today I am going to ask GK question. Question for grade 6. What is the most sensitive organ in our body? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is skin. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 7. Who is the greatest ruler of India? No, you did not pick the right answer and the answer is Ashoka. Question for grade 8. India is located in which hemisphere? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is northern hemisphere. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. Solar system is part of which galaxy? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Milky Way galaxy. Let us appreciate them. Open question for all. Newton's first law is also known as? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is the law of inertia. Let us appreciate them. Second question. The SI unit of ohm is? The SI unit of resistance is? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is ohm. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Call upon Jaidia to deliver a speech on science.
Let
Morning everyone, my name is S. Jadija. I am from 8th Topaz. I am delivering a speech on microorganisms and viruses. Microorganisms are classified into four major groups that are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and some algae. Viruses are also microscopic, but they are different from other microorganisms. They, however, produce only inside the cells of the host organisms, which may be a bacterium, plant, or an animal. Common ailments like cold, common cough, and flu are caused by viruses. Streptomycin, tetracycline, and erythromycin are some of the antibiotics which are made from some fungi and bacteria. Such disease-causing microbes called pathogens. When a disease-causing microbes enters in our body produces antibodies to fight the invader. Microbial diseases that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, food, water, and physical contact are called communicable diseases. Examples of communicable diseases are common cold, chickenpox, and cholera and tuberculosis. There are some insects and animals which act as carriers of disease-causing microbes. This process is called vector process. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Not come by itself. It needs motivation and inspiration. Now I call upon Binanda for motivational speech.
Happy morning to everyone. This is Meenanda Kishore from Grade-VII Topaz, brought to you by motivational speech. Forgiveness is very important throughout the life. If people did not forgive, they are going to be stuck in past, always remembering about that mistake. That person did, and if you forgive that person, and there is no negatively between you and that person. And I want to conclude this speech by a thought: there is no love without forgiveness, and there is no forgiveness without love. Thank you.